Hello, in this video, we will learn how to add notes on Instagram for Android. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. Tap on your profile picture. Then, write down your ideas, notes, or anything you want to share with your friends. Here, you can choose who can see what you've written. Next, tap on the share button. As you can see, I've added "I'm happy today." If you want to edit or delete it, I'll tap here again. From here, you can change your note. And from here, we can delete it. I will delete it now. Refresh. And it will be deleted. I hope you liked the video. See you later.